Hi, good morning. My name is Kaysian Gordon from Casey Gordon Financial Planning. And this morning I wanted to touch on actually a question. Who are you listening to for your financial advice? And I know I'd say social media is saturated with people who are giving financial guidance. And the reason this topic came up for me is I saw in a group that I am in, very general group based on location. Um, Somebody was looking for financial guidance. And I'm always curious as to see what the responses are. And they ran the gamut of what the advice should be based on the little bit of information that the person presented. Now, I did share my input based on my CPA and CFP background. However, a lot of people were just throwing out advice. Um, and I know that there are a lot of individuals out there who are going to TikTok and YouTube and Facebook and wherever else to get financial advice. Now, that's not necessarily a bad thing. The thing that I want you to be aware of is who is giving that advice. Are they someone who's in the profession, who is familiar with your situation, or can make an assessment based on the information that you've shared? If they're only giving advice based on their perspective without a general knowledge or experience, you're likely not getting the advice that you need. Now, I really want you to, when you're taking financial advice, look where it's coming from, right? Look at the person. Are they qualified to be giving that advice? If they're not, you might want to look elsewhere. Take a look at whether it's the credentials or the experience or the years the person has been in the business of when they're getting advice. What I don't want to happen for you is you are given all this advice, and when it comes time to either go file your taxes or to do something that's really important, that you are operating on bad information to begin with. Sometimes there are nuances that a lot of people won't necessarily understand or even think about, right? As an example, there are Roth contribution limits based on your earnings. Now, there are workarounds, so I'll say that. However, if you make over a certain dollar amount, you cannot just automatically put money in a Roth account, right? So again, I'm just using that as an example to show that there are some nuances as to whether you can or cannot. But if you ask someone, what should I do for retirement? They're automatically going to tell you to put money in a Roth. That is not always the case, right? There will be specific situations based on your personal situation that will be the right answer for you, or to try to figure out what the workaround is. Again, my name is Kaysian Gordon from Casey Gordon Financial Planning, and I want to make sure that you are checking out your sources as to where you are getting information from, and to make sure that you actually understand the guidance that's being provided when you do get that information, and making sure that it's relevant for you and your lifestyle. I look forward to talking to you in the next video. Bye.